Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to replace the broken or damaged display of the Vivo Y30 smartphone. If your phone has a cracked screen, display lines, touch not working, or black screen, this guide is for you. This is a complete step-by-step process, so watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe if you find it helpful. Now let's start. Remove the back panel. Insert a plastic pry tool. Gently slide it along the edges to loosen. Take your time, don't rush. Once all sides are loose, lift the back panel and keep it aside. After loosening the back cover, you'll notice that the fingerprint sensor flex cable is connected under a protective metal sheet on the motherboard. Now, carefully remove the screws that hold this metal shield in place. Once the screws are out, lift the metal cover gently using tweezers or a plastic tool. Under this shield, you'll find the fingerprint sensor connector. Use a plastic pry tool or your fingernail to gently disconnect the fingerprint flex cable from the motherboard. Once it's disconnected, you can safely remove the back panel and place it aside. Now you'll see a plastic cover over the motherboard and battery connectors. Unscrew the protective panel using a screwdriver and remove it. Next, disconnect the battery connector first. This is important for safety and to avoid any short circuit. Now locate the display and touch connectors. Carefully disconnect them from the motherboard. To lift the battery slowly from one side. Avoid bending or puncturing the battery. To remove the broken screen, you'll need to heat the front side of the phone, the screen area, for about 2 to 3 minutes. After heating, use a suction cup and opening pick to gently lift and remove the broken screen. Once the broken display is removed, clean the frame using isopropyl alcohol and a soft cloth. Remove any leftover glue, glass, or dust. A clean surface ensures the new display fits properly and adheres well. Now it's time to fix the new display. Now let's reassemble the phone. First, fix the metal shield back in place and tighten all the screws. Make sure all flex cables, display, fingerprint sensor, and battery are connected properly. Align the back panel, press it firmly, insert the SIM tray, and power it on. Now switch on the phone and do a full functionality test. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, leave a comment if you have any questions about this repair or if you want us to make a video on any other phone model. See you in the next video.